In Python, both lists and tuples are used to store collections of items. Lists are mutable, that is, they can be edited. On the other hand, tuples are immutable, which means once a tuple is created, you cannot change its elements or size. Lists are defined using square brackets, whereas tuples are defined using round parentheses. Lists are commonly used when you need a collection of items that may change over time, so lists are used for situations where you want to add, remove, or modify elements dynamically. Tuples are used when you need a collection of items that should remain constant and not be modified accidentally, and are commonly used for data such as coordinates, database records, and function arguments where the order is essential. Tuples offer better performance for certain operations, especially when used as dictionary keys or elements in sets. When we talk about memory, lists may require more memory. Tuples are generally more memory efficient. Lists are slower than tuples, or you can say tuples are faster. Choosing between lists and tuples depends on your specific use case. If you need a collection that will change, use a list. If you want to ensure immutability or need a hashable collection for dictionary keys or set elements, use a tuple.